Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 121 East Aeroplane, just hit the market for $350. This place was built in 1920 and you're going to want to see the adorable inside. Okay, so here we are up from the street. It is a little bit below grade, but we do have some good parking up here. So just set below the street just a wee little bit. We are last street. I guess it would be south of the boulevard. So boulevard this way, we're the last street, which is kind of nice. You do have hiking, good hiking, about a mile this way. Maybe not even that far, maybe a half mile. So great trees on the lot. Over here, you'll be able to get a car kind of sideways right here. But here you've got some nice rock work here, and all of these trees just create a lot of privacy. So really cute. And then over here, I'm parked all weird, so don't look at that. But it appears, I'm gonna try and see who owns this. So if I'm envisioning correctly, which I think I am, property line goes to there. So this goes with the house. So let's go on down. So this one is 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, 666 square foot. So what I'd like to is find or lose 1 square foot to get rid of that number. But here we are on the outside. Everything is really well maintained. The deck, I love that it's just like clear coated, but it's got a nice polyurethane on it, so it seems like it's been kept up really well. Beautiful rock fireplace here. Does look like this part is a little bit newer than the original. They do have shake siding on at least one side of the house, painted black. They've got benches kind of all built around. I'm going to take you through the outside. I wonder if this is the new shaker siding too, because it looks too new for it to be the old shaker siding. A little red roof. So we'll walk the outside shortly, but it's cute. Dude. Just greatly treed down here. Very nice and private. All right, so one thing to note, this really cute door. I like the color that they used. So 1920s in here, so everything is really, just great for the age of the home. You go downstairs to the bedroom and bathroom, and then upstairs we've got the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. So one thing to note is the hardwood floors. Beautiful, beautiful floors. And I tell you, I've been in 1920s and it felt like 1920s. And then I've been in 1920s that felt like 1990s. And this one definitely feels like they have kept it up really well. So here we have the old fireplace. I mean, this thing is big, like probably 2 feet deep depth, but really well maintained, not like black charred like you see on a lot of them. Let's check out our windows. We do have single pane windows. Probably could get like a pull-out sofa, especially if you wanted to have a smaller one of these too. The one thing I really like about it is the wainscoting all around. So you can see how they have that wood feature all throughout the upstairs. Very cute. And then also you'll note like no popcorn ceilings. They do have it all finished and drywalled in here, and it's really nice. So here we have the kitchen. Nice cabinets. It's kind of like old meets new. And this is like a quartz countertop. Like a new old sink. You know how it comes out of the wall. Good storage for your coffee mugs. Not sure what's here. Oh, nice storage in there. Single pane. Lots and lots of cupboard space for the size of the kitchen. And also a full stove and a full refrigerator too. So kind of uncommon in a size of a home like this, but it's a really, really, I'm going to just say well designed. And I like that it's kind of, you know, just open. I don't think, I didn't open this before. I'm imagining, yes, just like a coat closet. So storage closet, broom closet, but everything is just super clean, super nice. You know, the borders that they have, everything's painted really well. And also the hardwood floors are just gorgeous, gorgeous. They do look like electrical has been updated since the original age of the home, only because I see that it's got the 3-prong, not the 2-prong. Heating. I am trying to figure out the heating situation. So far, there's a thermostat, which must mean that we probably have a vent somewhere. Yep, so we got central heating here. Nice. So now, I mean, like, look how perfect that was built. It was almost like it was built for this place. Here, I would probably put a little gate just so we don't have any slip and falls. Also, maybe a handrail. They do not have a handrail going up or down. So that's something that you just might want to think about adding, but that's really easy. This is going to be access to the outside, which I will do that shortly. So we're down here at the bottom of the stairs right here. We have half bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, half bathroom. It'll make sense in just a second. So here we have basically the toilet and the sink. Look at this fun ceiling too. And this beautiful stained glass window. And you got like beadboard in here. This is like a laminate flooring. So this is not the original hardwood flooring. This is laminate. That is hardwood on the stairs. So just a nice clean toilet. Then here we have bedroom number 1, which looks like a queen bed. I like that they painted all the rafters up here white so that you can, just feels clean, large, high, nice. The windows, I don't know if I can open them or not. I don't want to pull on them, but we have some storage down below. Let me... They open. I know that it's going to be... I don't want to break it. But you can see there's just storage with like a little fence right here, kind of blocking everything. And that is underneath the deck upstairs. So really just a good space. I mean, all you're going to be doing is sleeping. And then here we have bedroom number 2. Oh, that's cute. That is a clothing rack shaped like a moose. And this is a double bed. And both bedrooms have a heater too coming in. Okay, so now the part I didn't expect is the other half of the bathroom. So here is the other half of the bathroom. It is the shower and the bathtub. I like that it's on the wall over here. That's kind of different. I like that, you know, they have it here. It is different, you know, to have the shower be such a separate thing. But it's actually kind of nice because then you have two different people can be in two different things. That kind of feels like it's painted on. I don't know if you could get rid of that easily, but I'm sure you probably could. So here, I don't have my shoes on, but what I'm going to do is just kind of step out here. There's not much to see. We've got the side of the house. On this side, gas meter. And then I'm going to show you the rest of this from up there. But I like the colors that they use with this green and the black. Super, super cute. And I like these old doorknobs. Okay, so let's go upstairs and go outside. Painted the old wood decking right here gray, which is pretty. It's probably going to be to the central heating right here. It's typically really quiet over here, but we've got ambulance going by right now, so you might be able to hear that. Privacy fence. And then here's kind of the backyard. So it does have a yard. It is a little bit on a down slope too. The size of the yard is 43-35. Cute little orange picnic. I like that they have this here too. You could finish that off with kids too, or little dogs. I'm gonna brave this and go down here barefoot. Let's see how it feels on these pebbles. Not too bad. Not too bad. So they have it nicely landscaped out here, like kind of graded and then graded and then graded. Coming under, this is where the second bedroom is. And then here we kind of end, like you've got that storage area that I mentioned, a little area here. You could probably get a little hot tub up on the deck, but would want to get a little bit more beefier support underneath here. So that is it. 121 East Aeroplane for $350. Super cute. Really good parking. And there you have it. Bye.